Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Redmi 11 Prime 5G smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password. As you can see, the device is locked. Try again in 28 seconds. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone. Just tap on power off. Tap to power it off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume up and power key together for a few seconds like this. Just press and hold it and now release. So here you can see it will send you in MIUI recovery 5.0. Now volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data and confirm, and you can see wipe all data or back to make menu. Now go to wipe all data and confirm. So you can see confirm wipe of all data. This cannot be undone. Go to confirm and confirm it. So you can see okay, data wiped successfully. Now back to main menu and reboot to system. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Redmi 11 Prime 5G smartphone really easily. And guys, after hard reset it might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset when asked for password, tap on skip and use previously logged in Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Redmi 11 Prime 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.